Using Alexa is as simple as asking a question. Just ask, and Alexa responds instantly. You can speak to Alexa on your tablet anytime. And now with Show Mode, your tablet is easier to use while you're doing other things. To get started, just dock your tablet. Show Mode lets you start your day by asking Alexa to show your calendar, display the weather, or even play a video flash briefing. Alexa, what's the news?
Here's your flash briefing.
Ask Alexa to start a timer or find a recipe. Alexa, show me a recipe for banana muffins.
Okay, for banana muffins, here's a few recipes. If you want to see more, say next.
Alexa gives you hands-free access to your favorite music or podcasts, so you can set the mood from across the room. Alexa, play dinner music.
Here's a playlist for dinner music.
Try Show Mode today.